Want to mod Schedule 1? Whether you want bigger stacks, faster movement, or a completely different look, I'm about to show you exactly how to install any mod in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First up, head to Nexus Mods. You can Google it or hit the link in the description. As of now, there are about 38 mods, but only a few are fully updated. Don't worry though, this tutorial works no matter when you're watching. Pro tip: sort mods by most recently updated to avoid old or broken ones from the free sample version. So, many mods need Melon Loader. It's the engine that makes mod work with the game. You have to Google Melon Loader or use the link below. Click Get Started, then download the automated installer for Windows. Run it, select Schedule 1 from your games list, leave the defaults, and hit Install. Done. Now your game can run mods. Back on Nexus Mods. Pick a mod you want. Go to the Files tab and choose Manual Download. If you're not signed in, make a quick account because it's free, so you don't have to worry. Your mod will download as a zip file. After that, right-click the zip and choose Extract All. Go to Steam, right-click Schedule 1, Properties, Installed Files, then Browse. Open the game directory and then open the mods folder created by Melon Loader. Drag and drop the .dll file from your mod into the mods folder. And that's it, you've installed a mod. That's how you install any mod in Schedule 1. That's it.